Why the concrete pump is necessary in the construction work. Pumping concrete is not just for large, commercial construction projects. Even a homeowner building a small patio can save time and money pumping concrete instead of moving it in a wheelbarrow. There are several reasons a project manager should consider concrete pumping on their next job site. There are also many advantages of concrete pumping over other methods. Concrete pumping is gaining in popularity. According to Trucking Infos, the industry has grown 14% in the last 2 decades. 34% of concrete is now poured into place. 45% is still poured directly off trucks, and the rest is moved manually by wheelbarrows and buckets. Concrete pumping is a billion business. It is expected to grow nearly 25% by next 2 years. Hengyuan factory is focused on concrete machines one-stop service and provide 18 months warranty. If you have any interest in the construction work, please don't hesitate to contact us freely.